Hey, this is Byron, and welcome to the Stock Master Show. Okay, I got a lot to talk about because a lot of people. First of all my stocks went up. I am still the best in the world at this. All of them went up. MU went up 20 points today. Today is January 28th. It went up 20 points today. RCL went up 8 points today. Right now, we're in the middle of trading. It's 12 noon right now in Chicago, Central Time. But all my stocks went up except this is the downfall, but it's not a downfall because TEN I recommended last night. I was studying that stock, but I seen some red flags on that stock. And I ignored them because I got so many, and you're going to see it on my questions. A lot of people ask me questions. When is the next hot stock? When is the next hot stock? When is the next hot stock? The reason they kind of pushed me into giving this stock, but I seen some red flags on there, but I still recommended the stock anyway. But it's really not a negative. It is opportunity. It went down 5 points today so far, but that's opportunity because if you look at the news on the stock, I still think this stock has a lot of potential. So I still recommend this stock slightly, but there are some red flags on this stock. I like being honest with you. I'm not going to lie to you. I'm the stock master, and truth is everything. Now, I got a lot of questions on that, but still, most of all my stocks went up because I am the best in the world. And if you see this video, please like, subscribe, and share this video, please. And hit that bell button so my videos can get to you immediately. Somebody had 1,000 shares of MU yesterday, one of my investors. Guess what? It went up, it's up 20 points. So they made 20,000 yesterday and 20,000 today. That's what I can do for you. And that's just 1,000 shares. There's people that are rich out there that have 1 million shares. They would have made 20 million and 20 million off of my advice and my knowledge and my know-how when it comes to the stock market. I'm just that darn good. I am. I'm the best in the world. But I want to go to another subject here. A lot of people say, Byron, do you know how to do speculative trading? Do you know how to do long term? Do you know how to do short term? Yes, I do. I know how to do swing, fundamental analysis, technical analysis, cryptocurrency, everything. Now, with that being said, they ask, how do I get into cryptocurrency? That's what they ask. That's not my forte. I don't do cryptocurrency, but all you have to do is, the first thing is get a platform, just like you buying a stock. What it is, you get a platform like you go through like Coinbase or Viacom or Gemini. There's certain companies that has a platform for Coinbase. Once you get that platform, the second thing you want to do is create an account, just like you do in the stock market. Create the account just like exactly like you buying regular stock, but you're not buying regular stock. You got to remember that. Then put your money in that account. Now, some of them have margins account, some don't. So you got to ask, do they charge fees and things like that? The same basic way as you getting a regular stock company, but you're not. And the next thing you want to do is get a strategy. Do you want to do long term, short term? There's so many ways to do with cryptocurrency, but that's the next thing you want to do. Decide what you want to do. Do you want to do long term or short term when it comes to cryptocurrency? And then place a trade. But placing a trade is the dangerous part. If you don't know what you're doing, it's the same way with short-term investing. You will lose money. You have to know what you're doing the way I know what I'm doing when it comes to short-term investing. I have the knowledge and the know-how, and I've been doing this for 30 years. I know stock trends. Do you know cryptocurrency trends? Now, with that being said, with cryptocurrency, it's the same thing as doing a regular stock market. It's all based on emotions, and that's where people make a mistake. Emotions. Remember, the key to this video, out of anything you remember, what I said on this video that can help you is what I'm about to say right now. The regular stock market, I don't care if you're doing short term, I don't care if you're doing long term, I don't care if you're doing speculative, I don't care if you're doing dividend trading. There's different ways to do in the regular stock market. Now, cryptocurrency, the same thing. I don't care if you're doing short term, I don't care if you're doing long term. Everything's based on emotions. And what people make their mistake at when it comes to stock market and cryptocurrency is when the stocks start going up, that's when their emotions get involved. The greed part of them. They think the stock is going to keep going up. Cryptocurrency is just like buying regular stock. Only thing is more volatile. It's more volatile. Yes, it is. It could go down 30 points or 40 points one day and up 40 points the next day. you can really lose bad when it comes to cryptocurrency. You got to take the emotions out of investing, period. I'm going to take it there. Take the emotions out of investing, period. I don't care if you're doing real estate. I don't care if you're doing cryptocurrency. I don't care if you're doing short term. Take the emotions out or you will lose money. Now, you have the advantage with short term investing, regular stock companies like me, because you got me. I'm going to make sure I don't have any emotions involved. Perfect example. The beginning of this tape, I brought up last night, I suggested TEN, a stock. Now, the stock is down 5 points. People are selling because it's down 5 points because of their emotions. They think they're going to lose money. You can't think like that. It's opportunity. If you look at TEN's news, it has great news. I'm not going to keep on going on and on about it. It's great news on that. And analysts say it's a great stock. Everything bullish, everything 100% bullish, whatever. It's a great stock. It's down 5 points because I know stock companies. It went up 5 points yesterday. And the reason it's down 5 points today because it went up yesterday. Stocks go up and down. That's just the way it goes. But with this company, it's going to go more up than down. I guarantee tomorrow or the day after, if the Dow Jones don't drop 1,000 points, TEN is going to go up just like I said. But you have to take the emotions out of you buying and selling stock. You got to look at it as use your brain as opportunity. The same thing with cryptocurrency. Take the emotions out because it's even more dangerous. It's volatile, way more volatile than regular stock. But it's a different concept. Cryptocurrency and the New York Stock Exchange is two different entities. They're not the same thing. If you want to put your money from cryptocurrency to the regular stock market, New York Stock Exchange, you have to take your money and put it in a bank in cryptocurrency. And then from the bank, you can go to the New York Stock Exchange. You follow me? I hope you do. It's kind of tricky right there. But take the emotions out because greed will get involved. If a stock, tell me if I'm not wrong. Give me your opinion and comments. Tell me if a stock goes up 10 points, what is your thinking? Your thinking is it's going to keep on going. Am I right? And most people, it don't happen like that. When it comes to the stock company, cryptocurrency, anything, stocks just don't work like that. I'm trying to preach to you because it's the truth. And that's what I live off, telling you the truth. And I am the best in the world at this. I'm 48 out of 49 towards getting stocks right. I was 45 out of 44 out of 45. But yesterday, I'm going to show you the video. I said MU was going to go up, and it went up. I told you RCL was going to go up, and it went up. I told you AMD was going to go up, and it's going up. And it's another like Cisco Systems. I told you it was going to go up, and it's going up. Every stock I say is going to go up, it's always go up. But you can't get greedy. 3 rules. Don't get greedy. Buy low, sell high. And timing is everything. Follow those 3 rules. Now, once you make money in these stocks, get out of it. Take your money and run. That's my recommendation. Take your money and run. Keep the emotions out of it. Don't get greedy. Think it's going to keep going up. Even stocks I suggest is not going to keep going up. Stock companies don't work that way. Cryptocurrency don't work that way. Any avenue or strategy you have just don't work that way. That's how they beat you. That's how stock companies get your money. And that's how you lose. Think about what I'm saying. Woo, I'm tired. Now, I have somebody asked me a question. Said, why do you have a Facebook channel, a TikTok channel, and YouTube channel, Byron? To expand my audience. That's how I answered them. I have a lot of people that follow me in YouTube. I have a lot of people, followers and subscribers. And somebody said, why don't you try to expand by getting TikTok and Facebook? And that's what I'm doing right now. Now I have a channel on TikTok and Facebook, and a lot of people starting to follow me there because I'm starting to make a lot of money for people in TikTok and YouTube. Now my YouTube channel, you already know, is at Byron Banks 4576. My TikTok channel, so many channels I gotta remember, is Byron Banks 7. Facebook, you can find me on Facebook. Look for my name, Byron Banks. You can find me. I'm in all 3 because I'm making money for more of an audience now. I have a bigger audience I'm making money for, and that's what I love. I'm trying to make money for everyone. And on all these channels, I don't want nothing in return. I just want to make money for you. That's all I want to do. And I try to give you knowledge of the stock market too. And that's important. Like I'm telling you about emotions. Like I'm telling you about ask price and bid price. Like I'm telling you about bullish and bearish. A lot of people don't know this stuff and they don't have time to study because they have a family, because they have a job. This is what I do for you. I will do all the legwork and find a good stock for you. But I'm not going to do what I did yesterday. That TEN, I should not have brought out that stock because I seen the red flags. But I had so much pressure with people calling me and telling me and leaving messages saying, Byron, I need another hot stock. Byron, I need another hot stock. Byron, I need another hot stock. That it forced me to subconsciously to recommend that stock. And I should not have done that. Now that stock, like I said, I'm 49 out of 50 towards getting stocks right, but I should not have recommended that stock because it was not time for that stock. It was not undervalued. All stocks, cryptocurrency, everything comes down to being undervalued. I understand that, yet I still made that mistake. But the potential of that stock is still going to go up. Woo! Oh man, I'm just talking. But there's a couple of things I want to show you about cryptocurrency that this is the main reason why people want to get in and out of cryptocurrency. And let's watch a couple of videos of why it's a good thing to do and bad.
Stay tuned. So the reason why crypto trading can be so profitable is because of one factor: emotions. The crypto market is volatile, meaning that it's normal for prices to go up or down by 10 to 30% in a day. To put things into perspective, if a stock goes up or down by more than 5% in a day, it's considered volatile. In crypto, a 5% move can happen in a matter of minutes, sometimes seconds. This makes traders feel emotional, especially if they're using a lot of money. When crypto prices go up, they feel greed. When crypto prices go down, they feel fear.
Do you see what I'm saying? This guy agrees with me. When stock goes up or crypto goes up, you feel greed. The emotional part of it, you have to take it out. You cannot feel that way. When stock goes up, I'm going to preach this. And when cryptocurrency go up, you should feel exit. Take your money and run. Don't feel greed that stock is going to keep going up. Stocks don't work that way. Cryptocurrency don't work that way. Short-term investing don't work that way. Long-term investing don't work that way. I'm trying to get that through to everybody's head to understand this. Take the emotional part of this out because you will lose money when it comes to the stock market. Trust me. You can look at my videos. My videos, everybody's making money off of what I am saying. Now, the reason I'm not sitting in a chair right now is because I'm getting into this. I look at the stock market 24 hours a day. I'm trying to show you how to make money and the opportunity that you have because of me. So I'm just trying to help everyone out because I'm letting you listen to other people saying the same thing I'm telling you. Now, let's listen to a little bit more of what this gentleman has to say so you can and really listen to him, write some stuff down that he is talking about.
Basis of trading assets. When people feel greed, they tend to buy, and when they feel fear, they tend to sell. These emotions follow predictable patterns, and price action follows suit. The first person to figure this out was in fact a Japanese rice merchant from the 1700s named Honma Munehisa. He invented the candlestick charts we use today and was the first to identify the repetitive patterns in price that are created by fear and greed. These emotional patterns can be found in every asset class, whether it's crypto, stocks, or indeed rice. The catch, though, is what I mentioned a few moments ago: emotions. People trading rice probably don't get too emotional, and most stock trading is done by emotionless algorithms and passive flows.
Now I want to show you some of the stocks that I recommended yesterday. Let's look right now. It's 1 o'clock in the afternoon, Central Time in Chicago. Let's see how they're doing. I recommended these stocks on January 26th and January 27th. Let's look at the stocks right quick. Okay. I said TEN, that was TEL. Like I said, it's down 5.42 I seen the red flags on there, but I still recommended that because everybody wanted, that stock. Cisco Systems went up yesterday. Like I said, stocks go up and down. It's down 15 cents. That's no problem. Look at MU. MU is up 20 points again. I am good at this. Look at my videos I made yesterday, which I'm going to show you in 1 second. And look at RCL. I told you. Up 7.27. I'm going to show you my videos. These stocks I recommend, and they are still going up because of my knowledge when it comes to the stock market. Matter of fact, I'm going to show you the video right now. Wow, I made a couple of videos. Look at my stocks. MU went down 10 points yesterday. What did I say on January 26th? Look at it. Look at MU. Look at it. Look at that. Up 21.15. That's right. I told everyone, today's January 27th. MU is a hot stock. If it goes down, unless negative news come out on that stock, it's going to go up. And my second stock that I picked, CSCO, is a new stock. It's Cisco Systems that I just thought about, and I researched it, and I researched it, and I researched it again. It went up 1.67. I'm going to tell you why this is so special in 1 second, why it went up. And it shouldn't have went up, but it did. Now, Royal Caribbean, I said RCL, it went up 8 points the other day. I told you stocks go up and down. You have to subscribe, like, and share my video, and hit that bell button so I can make money for you. I'm making it for so many people. But Royal Caribbean, it went down 2.54. That's no problem. Stocks go up and down. It went up 8 points yesterday, but that's just the way it goes. AMD, I said it's going to bounce back. It went down 6 points yesterday. It only went up 72 cents today. Look at these prices. They're kind of high price, but I guarantee you, if you want to make money, I don't care if you got to get 1 share or 10 shares or 20 shares. You will make money if you get the stocks that I recommend, because I am the stock master and I am the best at this. Now, what I want to emphasize is these stocks went up, but usually when stocks go up like this, the Dow Jones go up, and that's part of the reason. But guess what? Let's look at the Dow Jones. Let's find the Dow Jones. It's somewhere up here. I'm going to find it for you. There it goes. Dow Jones. 49 million. Look at it. Down 408 points. Down 408 points. So that, what happened in my stock did not supposed to happen unless you're really good. I am really good at what I do. My stocks went up and the Dow Jones went down 408 points. That's almost impossible. I am the best in the world at this. Please like, subscribe, and share my video. Please share my video and hit that bell button. Hit that bell button. Hit that bell button so my videos just can get to you immediately. I don't want anything else in return. I just want to make money for you. But give me a chance to do that. Hit that bell button and leave comments and leave opinions about what you think about my videos and how I'm making money for so many different people. Share this video with everyone. Please, just share it with everyone. So I want to make money for the whole world. I don't care if you're rich, I don't care if you're poor, I don't care if you're the president of the United States. I don't know about Donald Trump. To be honest with you, I don't want to make money for him. Anyway, I thought that was funny. Anyway, I got to work on my sense of humor. But let's make some money. Okay, I'm going to end the video. I just like proving myself because I want everyone out there to give me a chance to make money for them. And I want everyone to take a good look at their self. And that is, are you making money in the stock market or cryptocurrency or long-term investing, short-term investing, no matter what type of investing that you're doing? If you're not making money, why not give me a chance to make money for you like I'm making it for everyone else? Like I said, at TEL, I know what I did wrong because I took the pressure from everyone, all my viewers wanted me to give them another hot stock. That's not going to happen again. I'm still 49 out of 50 towards getting stocks right, and I'm the only person that's going to do the legwork for you and respected the fact that you have a family, that you have a job. You don't have the time to do that stuff. I'm going to do it for you, and I'm not asking you for nothing except hit that bell button and subscribe and like and share my video. The most important thing is share. I'm a firm believer in God. Give everybody an opportunity to make money. We got to work together. Help me the way I can help you. And leave comments and your opinion as well. And don't forget about my TikTok channel, Byron Banks 7. And you got my YouTube channel already. And you can find me on Facebook too. Thank you for everything. I love you guys. And let's make some money in the stock market together.